Inspired by the rugged and mighty conditions of the nearby Rocky Mountains, the Colorado Avalanche will be on home ice tonight in Denver. Hi to all of you, everyone, along with Eddie Olczyk, Ray Ferraro coming up in just a moment. I'm Mike Emmerich, and we've reached Game 4 of this series, and the team away from home has got a chance to really take a stranglehold.
I think that's one of those things in playoff hockey, Doc, that is needed. It's such a long grind to be able to try to win the Stanley Cup, and if you can end a series quickly, you give yourself an opportunity to rest your players and get ready for the next series, so you can really take hold of this series if you can find a way to go up 3-1.
The Sharks' attention to detail will be the key in this game. It's about the little things that have been the difference in this series to this point. Let's see if the little things can lead to big things, which might equal a 3-1 series lead.
Let's look at the starting netminders. The pressure of the playoffs got to him last time. His teammates got blown out, but the coaches are looking to rebuild that confidence with this start tonight. He won the last one, so why not another? It's the playoffs. Nothing to save it for. Face-off number 1 gets us underway. McKinnon's the face-off man for the Avalanche. Couture's there for the Sharks. We'll hear from Ray Ferraro shortly. Eddie Olczyk alongside me, Mike Emmerich. This playoff game is underway. Smart recovery by Johnson. That puck left the zone, and so everybody has to drop back to center. Breaks away. Oh, what a save on a marquee name there. Gains the zone. Lets it go. Made the save. Pitching it to Pavelski. Fires. That was a great play and goal.
The shooter thought he had a chance, but the goaltender robs him. What a stop.
An enormous hit.
He's certainly on a mission out there. He's trying to set a tone for his team in what should be a really physical contest.
Landeskog's looking to lead. Lets it go. Save! San Jose's got it and moving up the wing. Taken over again. Directing that one to Barry. Lets it go. That went off the pad. Barry's hooked on this play, and the arm of the referee is high. The Sharks guilty of a minor penalty for using the stick blade. Just a hook.
The referees are looking for this. Anytime you stop skating and reach with your stick and pull on the opponent, you're going to the penalty box.
The Avs are going to try out their power play for the first time of the game.
I love going on the power play early in a game. You get to handle the puck, you get to make some plays, really get you into the game.
Right along the blue line. Big shot from the point. Strong, slippery move. Centering pass. Oh, what a block. Collected in the corner. Oh, feeds it in front to Soderberg. At least he protected his goaltender. Vlasic's hooked on the play. There will be a penalty. Goalie reaches the bench. Extra man out. Colorado's roster goes down by 1 here. At least briefly, a minor penalty for hooking.
Well, what he was trying to do is trying to get the puck, but unfortunately for him, he reached in and hooked around the player. Off to the penalty box he goes.
The teams will go 4-on-4. Do you take risks offensively, or do you just play defense and limit mistakes? I hope they take chances myself.
It doesn't even take much of a mistake, Doc, to get a scoring chance on a 4-on-4. If one guy gets beat by a half a stride, it's game on.
The Avs have been handed a minor penalty for tripping.
I'm going to give credit to the puck carrier here. He kept his legs moving. He forced the back checker to reach in and take him off his feet.
The Sharks are hoping to get 1 out of 1 on the power play.
Well, the power play guys have to go to work now. This is an opportunity they hope for. You want one early, and you want to see if you can get on the board first.
Terrific fake out. Carries it on in from center. Hits the post and out. Took it away again. Turned away with the stick. Lots on that. The Barbario. Deflected off the blocker. He's got that pass off the right wing and can move ahead. Great save. Fires. Marvelous save. No time on that one.
That was a tougher stop than it looked.
Colorado's finding its way to center ice. Shoots. Save there. The Sharks get the puck with just a few seconds left on their power play. San Jose's power play could have made a big difference, but did not. A point hammer shot. Didn't get through. Save. Lets it go. Carries it behind the goalie. Skilled play by Brassard. Possession in the zone. Fires it to the point. And he gets it back. Forks it to Hurdle. Pass to the point. Sends it down low. Looks to make a play. Need to get rid of it.
I love when the game is like this. Everybody has to think. Everybody has to react. There's no time to slow the game down.
Flings it. And a save. This is tiring labor. The Sharks skated up on the side. Looking to Burns. The play is offside. Back to center ice. Just under 8 minutes remaining in the period. Both teams are still looking for their first strike. The Avs control at center ice. Takes it in from the neutral zone. Takes that pass up the boards. Heaves one. That puck struck him in front. A point blast. Score! His first playoff goal. What a great memory for him.
They'll certainly have more energy. They've got the game's first score, and now they can play from in front.
So we've played a while in this period, and finally a goal.
I was hoping, Doc, that we were going to get that first one.
They've won the faceoff.
Scored by number 49, Samuel.
He's got it. Pass attempt to Goodrow.
Nikita Samuel, and by number 57.
Really good job by the defenseman there.
Puck is thrown to Enriqueto. Puck loose. Strong defensive play by Carlson. Has it in his own end. Oh, snaps the shot. Wonderful stop. They won that face-off, trying to generate something. Got iron with the shot.
Girard's not able to stretch this game out as his shot hits the pipe and bounces away. He doesn't generally need more than one chance.
Outstanding hitting in this game. There's an example.
This is what you call a great body check. Legal along those boards.
Great job in his own end with that interception. Shoots. The lane was jammed, and it hit somebody. And he steps across the line. Has that point pass as well. Knocked off. Crosses that line. A shot. Fired one and it got the post. The Sharks waiting back in their own end. Little pass that can start some progress ahead. Big drive. Outstanding body contact.
Looked like to me he tried to protect himself with his stick after taking that big hit, and his stick broke.
Nicely received at the point. Scorches one. Swept aside. Goes to the backhand. "20 minutes have come and gone. A rest for the players as we prepare for period number 2. It's a 1-0 game. There are 2 periods to go, and that's a good thing for at least one team. Overwhelmed in the shots on goal totals in that period. A lucky 13 for Colorado and 7 for the Sharks.
Fans, we'd like to draw your attention to the far part of the arena where we're welcoming all of
Colorado's goal came on this play. There's at least one locker room that's happy at the end of this period. We'll be right back. "20 minutes in the books, 20 minutes ahead." Edzo, what did you think of the first?
San Jose's time on attack was limited, and so they find themselves chasing the game. There's still time to turn it around. Let's see if the coach stressed the importance of puck possession.
Period 2 has begun. Let's see what happens here. Colorado's handling the puck at center. Got it at the point. Fires. He was standing in the lane and got some of it. Offside is called, and so a neutral zone faceoff. Colorado's got possession from the faceoff. A collision.
Burns always has a target on him, and he got absolutely train wrecked. He was not aware of who was around him, and he took the hit solidly.
He got a piece of that one.
You got to think that's a game-changing save there.
Landeskog's position here allows him to deliver a devastating hit.
San Jose's got it again. Stole that pass away in his own end. That was a big hit.
I wonder if that hit will change the momentum of this game.
Pass cut. Long lead pass to Broad. That puck is held and the whistle stops play.
Kane's not feeling too well right now after that big collision. For all you young hockey players out there, you cannot put yourself in that position.
A little under 4 minutes have been skated so far. Colorado's ahead 1-0. Good job on the draw. On to Wilson. And he steps across the line. Lets a shot go. What a shot, and he got his glove on it. San Jose's along the wing and center ice. Puck loose now picked up. And now it's directed to Wilson. Driving in from no man's land. May not have been intentional, but he got it anyway. Cranks wide. Great save. Colorado's in their own end and has possession. He's alone. Dogged determination there by Vlasic. Pitching this one to Hurdle. Great job on a cut pass.
Oh, I can see what he's trying to do there, guys. He wants to make a play to try and turn this game back around. They're trailing, but he forces the puck in, and he turns it over.
A howitzer. Save! Oh, great reaction there. The Sharks are given a hooking minor.
More times than not, Doc, anytime you reach in around a player's hands that has the puck, you're going to get a hooking minor.
Colorado's power play gets another chance to operate. Hasn't been effective yet.
There's not much new to a power play. It works the same way all the time. You get a good zone entry, you get the puck to the point, you shoot it, you move the penalty killers around. Let's see if they can do it this time.
Muscled long to Barberio. Got a piece of that one. Setting it up. The Sharks continue on in the defensive zone.
It's pretty simple, Doc. The Avalanche are outworking the opponent.
Presses that attack. Threatening an attack. They've got all the gunners out. Oh, he got that.
Jones has had an excellent game. He's had so many difficult opportunities to handle. He's done a great job with them. He'll need to continue to play well. This game is still tight.
Steps across that line. Lets the shot fly. The pad flashed out to turn that aside. A howitzer. He scores! Terrific power play goal.
Not many better feelings after putting a puck in the net when you see passing like that.
Jones can't react to the one-timer, and not only that, it's perfect as it hits the post and goes in.
The Avs have now made it 2-0. They have been overwhelming. Neutralized face-off win.
Scored on the power play by number 29, Nathan McKinnon.
It's gotten behind the net. Puck ends up out of the zone, so they must recoil. Terrific determination by Wilson. Slid back across from one point to the other. Waffle boarded. Wrist shot. That puck belongs to a fan somewhere. That is out of play.
There's not many saves easier than this for the goaltender. He gets his blocker on it. He's in good position, and he deflects this away.
The Avs win it. Cranks a blast. Ooh, what a break. Shot hit the man. Got it all. Puck covered, whistle blown. Puck drop, face off one, and the winger stepped right in. Passing one off now to Hurdle. And he's hammered.
You're not going to see a better hit than that, Doc. He laid the shoulder right through him.
Slid to Calvert. Leads that charge into the zone. Shoots one. A tremendous glove save.
Colorado's aggressive forechecking has been a key to this period. Every time their opponent has the puck, they get a body on them, and as a result, they've scored goals to take the lead.
Nice face-off work. Donskoy's trying to get out of his own end. It's dumped in. The Avs shifting gears back in their own end. Taken up the wing by Calvert. Let's go, Arister. Just inside the line. A howitzer! Score! That's his first playoff goal.
Well, he had a lot of time and space there to let that wicked shot go from far out. That is a heavyweight shot.
Jones didn't leave much room here, but the shooter's able to pick it perfectly, Edzo. There's not a lot of room from where I'm standing. It's right in my eye line, but it's a beautiful shot.
A little under 5 minutes still on the clock in the second. The scoring of the goal has made this now a 3-goal lead. Will this become dangerous, though? Feeds the point. With a blast! He wore that puck on a hard shot.
15 minutes, 9 seconds.
Trying to go to Pavelski. Moving it to Braun. Stolen at center ice. Laid on to Landeskog. Can start the attack going in the zone. Blockered away. Varlamov's able to keep this play moving. Skill play by Couture. Penalty signaled, but play continues. Oh, my, what a hit.
McKinnon's not shy to throw his body around here at any time.
The Avs are assessed a minor penalty here for holding.
All he has to do is take another stride instead of reaching in and holding the player.
Plenty of good looks on the power play. They got to stay with the same game plan.
Eddie, I'm with you on that. Power play beginning.
No matter how often you work on the power play, the ones that struggle go back to the same basic tenets. And it's to simplify things. Get it to the point, shoot it, get traffic, retrieve it, shoot it again.
Lets it go. That puck hit him on the way to the net. Gains that offensive line. Fantastic shutdown.
Pavelski's at fault for the turnover here, but I get what he's thinking. He wants to make a play and try and get his team back in the game.
Into the last minute of the second period. Somebody got in early, and so offside is called. And here again is Ray.
He's going to be sore tonight. Every time he gets on the ice, he's running into somebody.
Thanks, Ray. We'll be watching with interest as he plays. They lock up from the draw, and the teammate puts the grab on it. Really good cut of the pass. Collected by Wilson. Important interception there. Can he make him chase it? Snapping a pass to Barry. San Jose's power play did not do it for them. That's a great save. I was watching for sticks to go up. No celebration this time. Well, they got to be a little tired after these first two periods of play, so they'll get a rest as we start to think ahead toward period number 3. As we look at the shots on goal, the player's arms are tired, and so is the guy with the finger on the shots on goal board. Look at this. 28 for the Avalanche and 11 for the Sharks. Jones hasn't had much luck in the crease today. They have beaten him all around, but they haven't completely wiped him out yet. He'll return, and so will we. Third period about to begin. The rear view mirror will help us with the first two, and so will Edzo.
Colorado has had a great game. It shows on the scoreboard. If they continue clicking, they should be able to close this one out.
The third period has started. Pavelski's hooked on this play, and the arm of the referee is high. Cursed by a broken stick. Colorado's 2-minute penalty is a minor, and the call is hooking.
This was okay about 10 years ago. Not anymore. That's a hooking call.
There is hope with every man advantage, even if your percentage is poor. Are you listening?
They've been on the power play before. It's not been very effective, but they get another one handed to them here.
That's a great save. Two players came to the boards. Boom.
He was looking to knock him into the third row.
What a hit that one was. Chip to Pavelski. And angled to Burns. Pass cut, strong play. Shot on. Got his pad on that one. Muscled right off it. From the slot of wrister. Didn't get through. In with it now. Propelled to Carlson. Lets it go. He knew what was coming, and he got right in its path. Turned away with the stick. Pressured out. San Jose's power play has let them down again. Gains possession after that stick lift. And they are in. Shoots one. Wow, what a glove save. Terrific pass through the middle. He's got it on his stick. Pitching it to Hurdle. And he dumps it in. Got a free puck now. Directing that one to Wilson. It's an onside play. Shoots one. Save there. Jones got the clock stopped. He and his team needed a breather.
Varlamov's going to be able to make that save all day. His positioning is perfect. It's not a difficult scoring chance.
Under 5 minutes have passed. Colorado's got a comfortable 3-0 advantage. Critical face-off win there. Has it back deep. It's dumped in. Looking to Wilson. Pass attempt to Kerfoot. Good job done with the stick. Way to break up that play. Oh, great cut. Skates it into the zone. Shoots one. Got his stick on it. Points it. San Jose's got it between the blue lines.
Kane's got to try to simplify his game there. Just too much stick handling.
Cuts off the passing lane.
Colorado's just caused another turnover. That's a big reason, Doc, they have a huge lead in this game.
Big drive. Oh, what a save. He brought his best shot, and it got stopped. And at an angle to Dillon. Good save there. He's got that point pass. A shot. Nicely patted away.
Colorado's goalie has been like an acrobat tonight. He has made several great stops in protecting his shutout. See if they can bring it home.
Puck is thrown to Kane. And the players collide in open ice.
Well, that big hit's going to really excite the crowd.
Brings it in for an attack. Terrific pad save. And he dumps it in. Now it's directed to Landeskog. Fires a shot. He scores! That's 4 straight.
Joe's quick hands allowed him to snap that one off and score the goal.
Really good positioning. He's in the butterfly where he's got most of the net covered. But there's obviously a hole and the puck's behind him.
Colorado's goal has built an even bigger lead. We're in the third period. For the opposition, at least that is fortunate. A face-off win. Let's see what develops. He gains the zone. The Sharks on the move through center. It's dumped in. And that's moved up the wing to Nieto. Pitching this one to Calvert. Good place to shoot from. Score!
Wrist shot was heavy and quick.
Enzo, that's a great shot, but the goaltender went down into the butterfly, opened up the top of the net, and he's hoping his glove is going to bail him out. Not this time.
Goalie to the bench, substitution made.
Well, you can't pull the whole team, so you might as well pull the goaltender. He deserves a break here. He's getting pummeled in the net, as there is just no resistance against their opponent.
Colorado's goal has taken them to an even larger lead on a night that they have had the offense going. Third period of play. Passing one off now to Pavelski. Turned a shot on net. Made the save. Solid work there by Brassard. Steps in from the neutral zone. On to Johnson. Score!
Johnson's roof tickler goes in from the high slot.
Almost an impossible shot to stop. I don't know if this puck could be placed any more perfectly up over the glove.
Colorado's goal has built an even bigger lead. We're in the third period. For the opposition, at least that is fortune.
Colorado goal.
The Avs prevail on the draw.
Assisted by number 4,
Slides it to the point. A shot. Gathered up by Couture. The Sharks have it along the side at mid-ice. Using the point, he's got it. Swept on to Vlasic. And he is closed off emphatically.
Great play along the boards. Tries to...
Score!
Right there in the low slot and launches a one-timer off a perfect setup from his teammate.
They all count on the board for the same, but he gave everything he had on this. Just couldn't quite get there.
Colorado's goal has staked them to an even larger lead on a night that they have had the offense going. Third period of play.
Avalanche goal. Scored by number 13.
Colorado's got another face-off win.
Number 22. Time of the goal, 16.
Gathered up again by Bourque.
6 seconds.
The Avs keep the play going in the middle. Gathered up again by Vlasic. And he gains the zone. Got it in his own end. Trying to go to Comfort. Colorado's looking to head man up the wing. Tried, but it didn't work. Near the boards. Approaching the final minute in this game. Gets on by. Strong wrister. Oh, he got it. You couldn't have chosen a better guy for that shot, or apparently a better guy to stop it.
Varlamov's seen a lot of rubber tonight. His team defensively hasn't helped him out very much, but he's turned aside almost everything, and as a result, they have the lead.
Big hit.
Dillon's flattened his man here on a night things have been going very poorly for his team. He hasn't stopped pushing hard whenever he can.
Picks it up back there. The Avs in their own end have control of the puck. Strong play, good reach. Nicely into the zone. And they've got it again. The Sharks are moving the puck in neutral ice. Cuts off the passing lane in the defensive zone.
You're probably best not to make that type of play, even though you're trailing by a goal. Still make the right reads. Be aggressive when you can be aggressive.
Dillon's a large human, and when you really slow it down, you could really feel the force of this hit.
Fires. Good work there in goal. The game, the shutout from the goalie, and the series is tied, but with performances like this, it won't be tied for long. Phenomenal focus in the goal crease tonight.
Wow, Doc, laser focus all night and a shutout as a result. The series is tied up for now, and they'll need more performances like that to take the lead.
It was another great night of playoff hockey. We hope you liked it, and we'll watch next time. For Eddie and Ray, Doc saying good night.